Hello students, welcome to 12th Commerce Accountancy. In the previous video, we have seen about the partnership deed. Okay, now we will see some new topic in this video, and that is about the accounts to be prepared whenever there is partnership firm. Okay, so first of all, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Now, what is this profit and loss appropriation? देखो भाई हमने सुना है वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट इन द 11th स्टैंडर्ड ओके बट देयर वर ओनली वन proprietor, so there is no any need to distribute the profit. Okay, but whenever there is partnership, then there is a need to distribute the profit among the partners. Okay, so how to distribute, that's a question, because there are so many matters included. Some partner will be given salary also, some partner will be given commission also. Okay, interest on capital, interest on drawing, whatever the things according to the partners will be given to them. Okay, so in this cases, how to calculate the original profit to be given to the partners? Okay, that's a big question, and that's why for that solution we have to prepare this profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation means to distribute. Okay, कि भाई जो प्रॉफिट की अमाउंट है वो किसको किस किस फॉर्म में दी जाती है, इन विच फॉर्म द प्रॉफिट इज टू बी गिवन टू द पार्टनर्स, that will be shown in this account, and that is called profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, now I want to tell you the most important thing. Okay, how to remember this account. You should be clear in the concept for this account. Okay, uh, if you want to remember this account properly, then you have to remember that yes, this account is for the firm, for the business. Okay, because all the incomes of the business will be recorded on the credit side. As we know, incomes are credited and expenditure are to be debited, as we know the rule of nominal account. Okay, so on the credit side, all the incomes of the business will be credited. Okay, and the expenditure of the business will be recorded on the debit side. Okay, so by this way you can remember the concept of the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so first of all I will start with the credit side, the income side of the appropriation account. Okay, what is to be recorded? Very first, if there is net profit given which is brought from the profit and loss account, क्योंकि इसके आगे profit and loss account हमने बनाया होगा. ओके, सो इसमें से हमने जो भी नेट प्रॉफिट हुआ है इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड हियर, यहाँ पे वो रिकॉर्ड होगा. ठीक है, सो वी विल राइट हियर नेट प्रॉफिट whatever the amount we will write here. ओके, चलो भाई ये तो इनकम हो गई. इसके आगे देखते हैं तो नेट प्रॉफिट में से ही सब कुछ दिया जाता है पार्टनर को, ये भी हमको मालूम होना चाहिए. वी शुड रिमेंबर दैट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इफ देयर इज, और एनी सैलरी विच इज गिवन टू द पार्टनर्स, if any commission which is also given to the partner, then it is a part of profit. Okay, if nothing is cleared or nothing is mentioned that yes it is a charge of the business, if it is not given like that, okay, then we have to believe that yes, interest on capital or salary or commission to the partners, it is an appropriate of the profit, यानी कि वो प्रॉफिट का ही एक पार्ट है. सो प्रॉफिट में से वो दिया जा रहा है पार्टनर्स को. ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम दिस नेट प्रॉफिट all the things which is payable to the partners will be given, and that is an expenditure for the firm, for the business, and that's why we will record it on the debit side because they are an expenditure. Okay, one more thing is an income for the business. Yes, what is that? Interest on drawing. Okay, interest on drawing is an income because partners withdraw any amount for their personal use, and on that drawings they have to pay some interest to the business. सो दैट इज एन इनकम फॉर द बिजनेस, वो बिजनेस के लिए तो इनकम है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो रिसीव कर रहे हैं पार्टनर्स के पास से, ठीक है. So that is an income for the firm, and that's why it will be recorded on the credit side. Okay. On the debit side, what to record? The expenditure of the firm. तो expenditure क्या है? पार्टनर्स को जो दिया जाता है वो इसका एक्सपेंडिचर है. आईओसी यानी कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. Suppose there are two partners A and B. Okay, so we will write here. A is interest, B interest. Okay, and the total will be recorded here. Okay, same way. As interest on capital, B is interest on capital, and the total will be here. Okay. The next, if salary, if any commission is given to the partner, we will record here. If there is salary is given to the partner, record here. If any commission is given to the partner, record here. Okay. If any reserve is kept, because reserve is kept for any purpose. Okay. So if it is given in the question that yes, some reserve for this any purpose, specific purpose is mentioned in the question, then we have to record here also reserve from the net profit. Okay, it is also mentioned. And if there is manager, and if it is mentioned that yes, commission is given to the manager also, then it will be also given here manager's commission. Okay, what is manager commission we will see in the next topic. Okay, don't worry about it. So these are all the expenditure, and that's why it is to be debited, and this is income for the business, and that's why it is to be credited. Okay, now what happened? अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा देखो. If the credit side is more than the debit side, okay, so what will come here? Yes, it will divisible profit. Okay, divisible profit. और जो भी अमाउंट आती है वो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज डिविजिबल, सो डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा बिटवीन द पार्टनर्स इन द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. Whatever the sharing ratio is given to you, if no ratio is given, then in equal form we have to divide it, and if any ratio is given to you, then in that ratio we have to divide it. Okay, so as capital, okay, to as capital or current account. Okay, same way to base capital or current account. Now one reason you have some confusion that sir, why you write here capital or current account. Okay, I will clear you. कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट कब लिखना है, कैपिटल अकाउंट कब लिखना है और करंट अकाउंट कब लिखना है, वो मैं आपको क्लियर कर देता हूं. When it is said that fixed capital account, फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट का मतलब ये होता है कि कैपिटल जो है वो चेंज नहीं होती है, ठीक है, पूरे साल में जितनी कैपिटल स्टार्टिंग में लिखे इन द बिगिनिंग व्हाट वी हैव रिटन, दैट विल बी एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. Okay, the same amount will be the end at the end of the year. Nothing is recorded in the capital account except capital. Yes, one thing is there. If any additional capital is brought by any partner, then it will be recorded in the capital side. But nothing another matter will be recorded in the capital account whenever there is fixed capital account. So what we have to do to record the other things according to the partners, like interest on drawing, salary, commission, what we have to do, where to record it? In the current account. We have to prepare current account whenever it is given that fixed capital account. Okay, that's why I write here current account. Okay, so whenever it is said that fixed capital account you have to prepare, then what we have to write here, current account we have to write here. But there is no any kind of thing mentioned that yes, fixed capital account you have to prepare, then it means that the capital account are fluctuating. Okay, the next type of the capital account, and that is fluctuating capital account. Fluctuating means in the beginning the capital which is will be changed at the end of the year, because the things like interest on drawing, interest on capital, salary will be added and subtracted from that, and that's why there would be change, there would be fluctuating in the capital, change होने वाली है capital at the end of the year. That's why it is called fluctuating capital. Okay, so if you are preparing fluctuating capital, then there is no need to write here current account. उसमें करंट अकाउंट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको सभी चीजें कहाँ पे लिखनी है, कैपिटल अकाउंट में. ओके, सो डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट कहाँ पे लिखा जाएगा, कैपिटल अकाउंट में लिखा जाएगा. अगर वहां पे फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल अकाउंट आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, लेकिन ऐसा मेंशन किया है क्वेश्चन में कि यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, आपको फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाना है, तो क्या करना है, हाँ भाई आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे करंट अकाउंट, because it will be recorded only and only in the current account, not the capital account, because in the capital account what will be recorded, yes, only capital, and the additional capital brought by the partners will be recorded in the capital account whenever there is fixed capital, and the remaining things like salary, commission, okay, interest on drawing, interest on capital, all the things will be recorded under the title of current account. Okay, so this is all about the divisible profit. Opposite condition will be there also. Suppose there is loss, then we will write here divisible loss. Okay, divisible loss में क्या होगा, by as capital और current account, वैसे ही जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा था. ठीक है, यानी कि ये कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड आएगा बिकॉज इट इज अ लॉस. ओके, और जो अगर वहां पे प्रॉफिट होता है तो वो कहां पे आएगा, कैपिटल के क्रेडिट साइड में आएगा बिकॉज इट इज एन इनकम फॉर द पार्टनर. ओके, सो कैपिटल अकाउंट में कैसे एंट्री करना है, इसकी क्रॉस एंट्री. वट एवर क्रेडिटेड हियर will be debited in the capital account or current account, whatever it would be, and whatever debited on the appropriation account, that will be credited in the capital account or current account. ये सीधा सा हिसाब है, बहुत इजी है आपको याद रखना. ठीक है, if you have remembered this thing, then it will be very easy to remember the capital account for you. Just opposite entry you have to give in the capital account. Why opposite entry? Because capital account is for what? Yes, it is the partner's capital. So partner की जो इनकम है वो क्रेडिट साइड आएगी और पार्टनर का जो एक्सपेंडिचर है वो डेबिट साइड आएगा. तो ये सब क्या है, बिजनेस का इनकम है, लेकिन पार्टनर्स का तो एक्सपेंडिचर है ना, so it will come on the debit side of the capital side. Same as these are the income of the partners. ये बिजनेस के लिए खर्चा है, लेकिन पार्टनर के लिए क्या है, ये इनकम है बिकॉज दे आर रिसीविंग दैट. ओके, सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, सो वी हैव टू डू क्रॉस एंट्री फ्रॉम दिस अकाउंट इन द कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट इन द केस ऑफ फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, so thank you very much. It is all about the appropriation account as well as the capital account that I have explained you. Okay, in the next video we will see the next topic. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.